Listen, people are making anywhere from $10,000 to even $100,000 every single month selling nothing but simple PDF ebooks on Threads. And here's the crazy part, they're doing it without running ads, without a website, and without being famous. Sounds unreal, right? But it's actually very real. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step blueprint I used myself. If you watch till the end, you'll literally have a plug-and-play system you can copy today. And if you stick with it, there's no reason you can't scale this to $10,000 a month or more. So first things first, you need a topic, a niche. And no, you don't need to sit around scratching your head thinking, what do I even write about? That's where ChatGPT comes in. Open it up and literally type, what are the best trending niches right now for digital ebooks? It'll spit out a list like fitness, finance, productivity, AI, parenting, relationships, mindset, whatever's hot right now. Here's my advice. Pick something that excites you at least a little. If you choose a topic you find boring, you'll burn out, but don't overcomplicate it. This step should take you 10 minutes max. Done. Once you've picked your niche, you need structure. Again, ChatGPT makes this brain dead simple. Just type, create me a 10-chapter outline for an ebook on insert your niche. For example, if your niche is productivity for remote workers, ChatGPT will break it down into chapters like time management, dealing with distractions, building a morning routine, all the good stuff. You don't have to guess what goes inside the book. The outline is literally handed to you. All right, now comes the part that would normally take people months, writing the actual book. But with AI, it's minutes. Just go back to ChatGPT and say, write the full ebook based on this outline. Make it engaging, add examples, and write in a conversational tone. That's it. ChatGPT will generate 20, 30, even 50 pages of solid content. And listen, you don't have to publish it word for word. You can tweak it, add your own personality, maybe add a few stories. But the heavy lifting, done for you in seconds. Now, we've got the words. Let's make it look professional. Head over to canva.com, create a new design, choose A4 size. That's the standard page size for ebooks. Now copy and paste your ChatGPT content into Canva, chapter by chapter. And this is where you get creative. Add images, pull in some icons, maybe highlight quotes in bold, change up the font for your headings. Make it something that looks like you actually put effort into it, not just a wall of text. When you're happy with it, go to download, choose PDF print, and boom, you've just created a legit ebook. Cool, now we need a place to sell this thing. My favorite? Gumroad.com. It's free, simple, and anyone can use it. Create an account, click upload, drop in your PDF, set your price. I recommend anywhere from $7 to $27 for beginners. Now here's a little hack. Ask ChatGPT to write your product title and description. Something catchy, something persuasive. Don't just call it productivity book. Let AI help you make it sound like a must-buy. And just like that, you've got a product page ready to take payments. Open a Threads account if you don't already have one. Now, don't overthink content. Go back to ChatGPT and say, give me a 7-day content calendar to promote my ebook on Threads. It'll give you daily post ideas, captions, even hooks you can copy-paste. And here's where it gets exciting. Every time you post, more people see your content. Some click your link, some buy your ebook, and that money hits your account over and over again. It's not instant overnight millions, but it's predictable. If you're consistent, you can hit $1,000 a month pretty quick. Keep scaling. 10-call months are 100% possible. And remember, you didn't spend a single dollar on ads. You didn't need a website. You didn't need to be some big influencer. Just free tools, AI, and consistency.